Manak Carnival 2025, celebrating standards for a better tomorrow. To commemorate World Standards Day 2025, the Bureau of Indian Standards Haryana Branch Office organized the vibrant and educational Manak Carnival at Satluj Public School, Allahabad, Sirsa. The carnival brought together students, industries, educators, artists, and the community, all united by the importance of standards in our everyday lives. The event began with a warm welcome to dignitaries and participants. The chief guest, Shri Paras Bhadoria, Sub-Divisional Magistrate, Allahabad, inaugurated the event by lighting the ceremonial lamp. In his address, he highlighted the significance of standards in ensuring quality, safety, and consumer trust, and applauded BIS for its innovative outreach efforts.
जैसा कि ये इवेंट बता रहा है मानक कार्निवल 2025 इस स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, जितने भी यहाँ बच्चे प्रेजेंट हैं उनको कुछ जानने को मिलेगा। स्टार्टिंग में जैसे हम नापते थे डिस्टेंस को, जो लेंथ है उसको नापते थे हाथ के साइज से, फिर फुट के साइज से, ऐसे स्टार्ट हुआ। फिर फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन आया तो उस टाइम ये डिसाइड हुआ कि एक स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए जो कि थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड चले।
Officials from the Bureau of Indian Standards shared the vision behind Manak Carnival.
Start with, I will tell you what is BIS, what do we do, and why are we organizing this Manak Carnival since last 1 year. So BIS is basically the national standards body of India. We make national standards, Indian standards. Indian standards are basically documents which define quality. So our core activities is standards formulation. We make standards and we implement those standards through our certification activity.
A platform to build a culture of quality and safety. Standard clubs, formed in schools across Haryana, play a key role in nurturing young ambassadors of standardization. One of the biggest attractions of the carnival was the exhibition area. Standard club schools and local industries showcased their innovative projects, posters, and working models, illustrating how standards guide everything from water quality and safety to consumer products and environmental protection. Creativity found its canvas through the poster-making competition. Students expressed their understanding of quality and safety through art, making complex concepts easy to understand. The energy reached new heights during the Nukkad Natak, a powerful street play performed by students to highlight consumer rights and the importance of BIS certification.
बिना ISI या BIS मार्क वाले उत्पाद ने दुर्घटना पैदा कर दी। तो दोस्तों याद रखो, जहां पर ISI मार्क वहां पर सुरक्षा पक्की। ये केवल एक हादसा नहीं था, बल्कि हमारे देश की सच्चाई है। हमारे देश में ऐसे कई सैकड़ों, हजारों ऐसी दुर्घटनाएं होती हैं जो इन्हीं BIS या बिना ISI वाले मार्क से होती हैं।
In the KBC style live quiz, students tested their knowledge of BIS standards in a fun and competitive way. The carnival also embraced the future with the AI Doctor Stall and AR/VR Experience Zone. Visitors explored how emerging technologies are transforming industries like healthcare and manufacturing, all under the umbrella of standardization. As the day drew to a close, a soulful and energetic cultural performance by Padma Shri awardee Mahabir Singh Guddu and his team lit up the stage. The traditional Haryanvi folk songs and dances celebrated the region's rich heritage, adding color and joy to the event. Winners of various competitions were felicitated with certificates and prizes. Over 3,000 visitors, including students, industry representatives, and local residents, became part of this impactful day. Manak Carnival 2025 successfully blended awareness, innovation, and culture. It inspired students to become conscious consumers and future leaders of quality. Together, we can build a safer, stronger, and more standardized tomorrow.